India and the European Union will resume negotiations on their long-pending free trade agreement in New Delhi this week, with discussions moving into more complex areas such as non-tariff barriers, market access, and public procurement. Both sides are aiming to wrap up the deal by end of 2025, ahead of the India-EU summit scheduled for the first quarter of 2026. The 13th round of FTA talks will begin on September 8, followed by high-level visits from EU Trade Commissioner Maros Sefcovic and Agriculture Commissioner Christoph Hansen. Officials said their presence is intended to give political momentum to the negotiations at a time when global trade is being disrupted by tariff policies of the US. Of the 23 policy chapters under discussion, 11 have been closed, covering intellectual property rights, customs, digital trade, SMEs, dispute settlement, transparency, and competition, among others. A chapter on capital movement is close to the conclusion. The focus now is on more contentious areas such as technical barriers to trade, sanitary and phytosanitary issues, rules of origin, and public procurement. Progress has also been made on services and investment offers exchanged in July, with both sides working to strike a balance. The digital trade chapter has reached an in-principle agreement, though some technical issues remain. India has clearly marked its red lines, keeping rice, sugar, and dairy outside the FTA framework. The EU, on the other hand, is pushing for greater access to automobiles and spirits. In light of the US tariff hikes, the EU is also considering imports of Indian aquaculture goods, including shrimps. India exported about $2.8 billion worth to the US last year. The trade talks were also discussed during Prime Minister Narendra Modi's September 4 call with European leaders Ursula von der Leyen and Antonio Costa, who urged quick progress. Alongside trade, India and the EU will engage in security and technology dialogues.